Hello, welcome to FreedomTech. My name is Elira JP. I'm the owner of FreedomTech. We offer everything. The major thing that we offer is repairs, and we do anything from laptops, TVs, cell phones, computers, and the most important part is that we have free estimate, free diagnostic on all electronics. So we sell used items including TVs, laptops, desktops, cell phones, tablets, and a little bit of everything. We offer major layaways on everything, warranties, which is the most important part, up to 90 days with no hassle. Everything that you see in the store is for sale, plus you can bring your own items for repair. So we do take it very serious, and we offer the best of the quality and professional. FreedomTech is located in 587 Suite 90 next to Secretary of State with a huge parking lot. We open Monday to Friday 9 to 6, Wednesday 9 to 7. We closed on Saturday and Sunday. Se habla español, and we will welcome anyone in the store. Thank you again.